Why does your scanner show the P1B87 engine code? What does it mean? P1B87 is a diagnostic trouble code for hybrid or electric vehicle battery 55 circuit performance. This error code indicates a rail pressure positive governor deviation in the fuel system or a battery cell group voltage performance issue in hybrid or electric vehicles. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty fuel rail pressure sensor, clogged fuel return line, bad fuel pressure regulator, faulty pressure limiter valve, corroded or damaged wiring. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Bolero, Scorpio, and pickup. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.